Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create and use the Wise multi-currency account. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your browser. Now you can use any browser of your choice. Right here, I choose to use Chrome, and then I'm just gonna have to open a new tab, and here you go. So at the top of your screen or of your browser, you're definitely gonna find the search bar, which of course I'm right here. Now in your search bar, just go ahead and type Wise multi-currency account, then click on it. So that's the first thing, multi-currency account Wise. So here you go, one account for all the money in the world. So let's go ahead and see. So here's personal and here's business. So let's say we want to create this for personal use. So we can just go ahead and just leave it in the personal tab. So 160 countries and just a lot. And then here you go, open an account, see our pricing, and just a lot more for you to know about the Wise multi-currency accounts if you scroll all the way down. So here are the steps that you have to follow. So register for a free account in minutes, and then get verified with your ID by our team, and then add money in the currencies that you want. So I can go ahead and start creating an account from here, or I can just go to the top where we came from. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on open an account. Open a balance. So which balance would you want to use? Let's say euros. So you're gonna have to read this, the on-screen information. Your euro balance comes with a Swift pricing code and an IBAN. So you'll be able to share this with people who want to send euros to you, and they will avoid hidden fees and bad exchange rates. So go ahead and click on confirm. Now you see I have created a euro balance account. So this is pretty much it. So here you go. Right here at the left corner, you're gonna see home, you're gonna see card, recipients, manage, and all. So you can just go ahead and click on home and see what this is like. So here you go. I have been able to add my euro balance. Okay. So I also like you to know that there's another way that you can definitely get right into it. Now, you don't necessarily need to go to your Google to search for multi-currency accounts and then you just click on it. I would like you to know that if you already have a Wise account, then you can definitely create as many balances as possible. Yes, actually, in your main Wise account, instead of going through the process of creating a multi-currency account, because at the end of the day, it's going to be infused, which we have definitely found out right here. So this is exactly what I'm saying. I'm gonna open this up. Now, this is my normal Wise account, okay? This is my normal Wise account, and this is what it looks like. I've already opened the balance in Canadian dollars, and I've already opened in British pound. So, open up this page, and this is my multi-currency account. So as you can see, there's not much difference. I still have my Canadian dollar, and I still have my British pound balance right here in this multi-currency account. And I have all of the features available still the same way, just as my normal Wise account, which of course is right here. So it is still the same features. Okay, so back to the multi-currency accounts, which we have definitely created. So this is euros, all right? And that is my euro balance, which I added to my Canadian dollar and my British pound, all right? So I can just go ahead and click on this euros to see how I can get my account details, because for people to send money to me, then it means I need to send my account details to them and then go through the process. If I want to request an amount, it means I need to get my account details. So there are a lot of things that are actually dependent on your account details. Now let's go through the steps of the processes of creating an account details. So here it says get account details. Go ahead and click on get account details, and it's going to take you to a fantastic page where you need to follow through the process. There are 2 steps that you need to take to get your account details. Deposit 10,000 NGN, because I actually created my Wise account in Nigerian Naira. But Wise is now accepting transfers from Nigeria, so this can actually be switched. So this is deposit 10,000 $100,000 and say you only need to do this for your first set of details and can use this money later. And then the next is verify your identity. So go ahead and click on get account details. Just as I said, they're not accepting Nigerian naira, so you're just gonna have to change this to, let's say I'm paying Canadian dollars, and then where we're paying with, let's say I'm adding this, and British pound, let's say I'm paying with British pound, I'm also paying with CAD. Let's just leave it this way. So this is the transaction rate and conversion rate as well. So if you go ahead and click on continue, the next step is going to take you to the verification, all right? And then you have to actually use your phone to verify. So it means you cannot use your system to verify. So I'm not just going to have to click on, so you can actually click by get a link by email and then click on this scan a QR code. Let's say we clicked on get link by email. This is the email that is going to show you right here. So follow the steps to verify identity using your phone. So it says open this email on your mobile device. So it means you can't even open the email right here in your PC if you actually want this verification process to be complete. Open it to your mobile device. Step 1, tap on the button verify your ID below in your mobile device, and then take a clear photo of your ID. That could be, in Nigeria, we're going to call it your national identity card, and then your SSS, or just whatever ID that you have that just verifies or that just shows that you are actually a citizen of your country. You're definitely going to have your national identity card, however you call it in your country. And then the next is take a photo of yourself. Make sure your face is fully visible so that the verification process is just going to be quick and easy and acceptable by the WISE team. And then the next is go back to your computer to finish. All right, and I'm just going back all the way here. And once you click on that, once you're done with that process, the next step is done. Just follow the cursor where you're gonna have to now actually pay in the money, and that's just gonna be it. So I'm going all the way back, and then from there, you will now be able to get your account details following all of these processes. Quite easy, right? So clicking back, I'm going all the way back to home, and tada, we're actually back here. So if you want to actually add another balance, let's say your Canadian dollars is not good enough, or your euros is not just good enough, and your British pound is not good enough, and then you want to add another balance, you can go ahead and click on this plus icon to add another balance. Meanwhile, you can of course explore all of these options here. You can send money by clicking on the send money button. You can add money to your balance. So let's go ahead and click on add money to see how we can add money to this balance. So let's say how much do you want to add? Which of your balances do you want to add money to? Let's say this 1,000. So that's it. Go ahead and click on continue button, and then you have to verify. You cannot miss the steps, and I've already explained what the verification process is like. And then go ahead and click to payment, and once you click payment, or once you're done with the payment process, you're going to see that your balance will be added to your Canadian dollar balance. That's how to add money. So requesting, if you go ahead and click on request, I'd like you to know that you also have to verify your account before you will be able to request money. So, and why do you need to verify account? Because you need to get your account details to send money. So let's say, for example, we're going to click on start, and now it says choose the currency that you want to request. All right, so account details let you receive payments and salary, as well as set up direct debits. So each currency comes with local details. So if you go ahead and click on confirm, you're going to see that they're going to tell you that you should, of course, verify so you can get your account details. The same process, like I said. So that's how you can request. This is how you send. Click on the send button, and it's just going to take you through a process where you definitely have to, this international. So how much do you want to send? Let's say 1,000 GBP, and recipient gets, let's say recipient receives in Australian dollars. Okay, so here we go. And then if you go ahead and click on continue, now it says add the recipient. You're going to say, who do you want to send this money to? I'm going to click on someone else. And then this is the next process is review. And then, of course, the next process is pay. So who is your new recipient? So someone else. What's the person's name? Let's see. Okay, so this is the recipient where you have to enter the recipient details. This is the email. Enter the email of the recipient, full name holder, full name of the account holder, BSB code, and account number. Go ahead and click on confirm once you're done, and click on pay. So that is pretty much the process. So click on this open if you want to open a new multi-currency balance. And then here you have balance and receive and spend money and jar. So click on open so they can open up a new balance. And then your new balance can actually be in, let's say, Australian dollar, which we do not have. And then click on confirm. And once you click confirm, you're going to see that this balance will be open. Ta-da! So go through the process to get account details. You can send, you can convert. Click on convert. It's not available because I do not have balance. I don't have money in my balance yet. So once you have money in your balance, you'll be able to convert, you'll be able to send, you'll be able to receive, and then click on this more to explore other options that are actually available. If you want to close this balance because it's not useful to you, go ahead and click on close balance. Here's where you can get your statements and reports. Here's their deposits, debits, and of course auto conversions. So this is all you need to know about the Wise multi-currency account, how to create and how to use. Go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.